The superintendent always waves with a smile as he drives by. We've got questions about the house we're building, we'd like to ask that guy. But the temperature is dropping, so I don't think he is stopping. Now what do we do? 'Cause we don't have his cell number, and we're running out of lumber, and there's snow in my shoe. So let's take a break and head down to the donut shop. Hot coffee and a donut with a napkin, say hi to a lonely cop. The boss is on vacation and he won't be back this week. So put some sugar in the coffee and make it taste really sweet. Well, we got back to the job, but you really don't buy coffee, you just rent it, don't you know? We were working just a while and I came to the realization I really had to go. But we still can't find the super and it's freezing in the pooper. Now what can I do? I know where there's a warm chair and the TV comes in kinda clear. I think this day is through. So let's take a break and head down to the donut shop. Hot coffee and a donut with a napkin. Drive faster 'cause I'm about to pop. The boss is on vacation and he won't be back in a week. So put some sugar in my coffee and make it taste really sweet.
Not really a super